Hello traders, this is Trading Gate, and in this video we're gonna introduce another strategy using Ichimoku indicator. Please, before going to the strategy, please subscribe to the channel if you like the channel, and we're gonna post more, upload more videos about the different strategy you can use and different methods that you can utilize for success and the crypto and forex trading. And please like and comment below this video and support us, and because it's gonna motivate us to post more videos. For this strategy, I'm gonna use Ichimoku indicator, and then I'm gonna look for Ichimoku cloud. You need to be careful that there is no 100% win rate like strategy. So all strategy they have like losses as well. And this is just educational video, not like a financial advice. And just be careful for any strategy that you can see on the internet. Before using those, please backtest any strategy that you see on the internet. So I just need conversion line. I'm going to turn off all, and I need leading span B, and I'm going to turn off also the cloud. I'm going to make it thicker to be seen better. So I have conversion line and leading span B. For this strategy, we just need the crossing of like price and the conversion line at the same time from leading span B or Senkou B, and we can open the position in that time. You can see, you can obviously see, for example, here, the target would be the flat of Senkou B. Here would be another target. This is one closer. I'm going to put my target in the second flat. You have other flats here. You can use it. For the stop loss, I would go with Senkou B, or like with risk reward ratio of 2, whichever is like bigger. And the 2 is gonna be here. It's the same point, so it's no different. I'm gonna put it here so you can see after a couple of candles, my target got hit. Another one here. I would go line here. I'm gonna put here, and then as I mentioned, the flat of Senkou B would be your target, and then a stop loss of the ratio of 2, or Senkou B, whichever is like closer. As you can see, this target got hit as well, and another one here. It's amazing how you got the answer. So another one here. I'm gonna open a trade here. The flat, this one is closed. I'm gonna put my target in this flat, but this one is really close to my opening price. So here we go. The stop loss, the ratio of 2 should be here somewhere like that. Yeah. So another one got profits. This is like a not successful crossing of the Senkou conversion from Senkou B. Here we have the cross. So I'll go open the position here, long position. I'm going to open the position here. My target would be the first flat, and somewhere like that. If this flat or this flat, no difference. And then my stop loss would be with a ratio of 2 here. So you can see got hit. This is a range market. We're not gonna trade on the range market when you see the Senkou B is for a long time flat, and at the same time the Senkou is closed. So you can open the positions here, but I don't recommend for the range market. So you can see how powerful is this strategy. I'm going to open a position here. My target would be the flat of Senkou B, somewhere like that, and this is a plus of 2, like that. There's reward ratio of 2, so this is going to do a stop loss. You can set other like targets as well, like second take profit targets with other flats by looking back to the history of the price. If you follow the same method, you can find other successful trades. It's not 100% strategy. There is no 100%, but it's a strategy with high winning rates. Just follow your risk management and use this strategy, and please comment below about your experience from using this strategy. Thank you for watching this video, and please subscribe to the channel. We're gonna post more like that, and then comment and like the video if you like it. And thank you so much for watching this video.